A pair of earthquakes just seconds apart rattled parts of Northern California today.
That earthquake could be much larger, much stronger, the destruction much more widespread.
Right now I'm standing on the Pacific plate, which is moving this way. And on this side over here, I'm on the North American plate that's moving this way.
There was a 5.1 quake in January.
Everything was just coming off of the shell. It was scary.
Is the entire ring of fire that is the perimeter of the Pacific Ocean that extends down from Chile up through the west coast of South America, North America, the Aleutian Islands, and all the way back down into Asia.
We're hearing a lot about the Ring of Fire. What is the Ring of Fire?
The Ring of Fire gets its name from earthquake and volcanic activity along the circumference. What you might not know is that the Bay Area and the whole coast of the western United States is also on that same ring.
Is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire, 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 fire,
and earthquakes in various places.
Of love is sweet when hearts like ours meet. I fell for you like a child. I fell into a ring of fire, 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 fire,
And Jesus answered and said to them, Take heed that no one deceives you. For many will come in my name, saying, I am the Christ, and will deceive many. And you will hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that you are not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there will be famines, pestilences, and earthquakes in various places. All these are the beginning of sorrows.
Your ways are evil, and your hearts black, O most wicked generation. Therefore, thus says the Lord, I am come down to grab hold of you, O inhabitants of my garden. I shall grab hold of my people swiftly, and with the strength of my right hand shall they ascend out of your sight. And behold, with my left hand I shall shake the earth mightily, and all shall fear. Behold, I shall grab hold of the Pacific plate, and I shall twist it. Lo, I shall press down upon it heavily, and it shall tip. It shall crack. It shall surely buckle. Behold, many waters shall flow backward in that day. No more shall I cause the ocean to know its place. No more shall I say to the waters, you shall proceed no further. For I shall strike the northernmost parts until they are no more. I shall reach down to the south into the great treasuries of ice and snow, and push them into the sea in one day. And the seas shall increase by measure before the eyes of all these multitudes, before the eyes of all those who dwell near the coastlines, and before the paled faces of the wealthy, who by greed and evil gain have constructed tall towers and built extravagant houses upon the shores. Watch! Be awestruck in astonishment, O foolish people who build upon the sand! Watch how swiftly calamity overtakes you, and how the waters inundate and swallow up the shores, how the land shrinks back at the power of the sea. Then shall they know, I am the Lord.
Accept Jesus as your Lord, for He alone is your salvation. He alone is your only escape, the bearer of your cross, the lover of your soul, the risen one.